Depending on how much running production.
Okay, what will you do with the egg?
Mix it. Hindi ako for mix it until you see. If you see any of these stuff like this, you know, or so well, there's like these tiny spots right here. It's all the way clear.
You need to season it now. What seasoning will you put?
Salt.
Yeah, where's the salt? Okay, a little bit only, a pinch. You know a pinch?
Yep.
Yeah, very good. Okay, mix it.
Okay. And pro tip, make sure it's not all clear. It has to be all yellow. This is clear, so just make sure. Make sure it's all clear.
Okay.
Make sure it's all yellow.
What will you do with the pan now?
Put it up.
Here.
Put oil up first.
Wait, before you put the oil, you need to open the kalan.
What? Wait, no.
Okay. So that's the oil now, no? Now, how will you know that it's ready?
Oil not ready.
Yeah.
What?
How will you know that it's ready to put the egg?
When you cannot put your hand over for more than a few seconds.
Okay.
When I still want to put your hand over. Okay.
Okay.
You check. Give it a bag.
Remove the skin. Okay. I think it's already hot now.
Okay.
You're ready for the...
Check.
It's already hot. Use the egg. Oops.
Just check this.
What do you need to do now?
I'm gonna put this egg in the pan.
Okay.
Slowly.
Okay, good. And then you need to...
Actually, I'm supposed to do
You need to whisk it.
this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that it will be cooked. Maybe use the it's too small.
Okay.
Use the...
I know.
Here.
Be sure. You want me to use this all the time.
Okay.
We're gonna add to bacon for like a 5 minutes. See? Should I add more?
Yeah, one more.
Okay.
The bacon is easy to cook now, so after 2 minutes you need to flip it.
Okay.
Because otherwise it will be burned.
I don't know if it's powdered meat.
Oh no. Enough, bacon now. You flip it. Yeah, good. The other one. Yeah, nice. How about the other one? Okay, good. Nice.
You want to add the garlic in like this? Okay.
Good. Okay, then you mix it. Make sure it's golden brown before you put the rice, okay?
Before they're heating a bit, where's the...
Don't make it too hot.
I know.
That's good.
You need to make...
Okay. Next is
The scoop of the rest and put it in.
yeah, all of it. All of it now. Just throw it away. Yeah. And then mix it. Mix it. You need to use 2 so that it's easier, okay?
Okay.
Now you need to add the seasoning now to make it a fried rice. What seasoning you will put now?
Salt.
Yeah, salt. Get the salt.
Okay. Give me 1 second, I'm just gonna mix it up.
Okay.
And...
Okay.
And then finish.
Now put the salt.
Make 1 second, I'm gonna put these down.
Mm-hmm.
Where do I put this salt?
You can also use chicken powder.
I'm good. A pinch, right?
A little bit more.
So 2 pinches.
More. Okay.
Is it enough? I'm just gonna add 1 more for the measure.
And you can add some chicken powder. I think that's better. Get the chicken powder there now.
Saan?
There. Beside the pancit canton. There, inside.
Start the process.
Yeah, that one. Open it. And put chicken powder.
Okay.
A little only. More. More. Yeah, more. Okay, enough. Now, you need to add the egg.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay.
Okay, and then mix it.
Was 2 or what? Just 1?
Two. You can also add soy sauce if you want to,
I'm good.
and some gulay if you want to also.
I'm not sure. Are there any carrots?
Yeah, you can have carrots, green peas, even lettuce.
Not sure about lettuce though. Lettuce is fine by its own. Or when you mix it with like a sandwich.
So is your finished product ready? Let me see.
Check it out.
Yeah, almost ready. You want to try to taste it?
No?
Sotero?
Sure, why not?
Small only, small. That's too much. Yeah.
No, why is it kind of, brownish?
It's too hot now. Don't eat it that much. Oh, how is it? Light on salt? You need more salt?
That should be pretty good.
Okay, good.